Welcome to the Bryan Fagan YouTube channel. I'm Ricky, and today we're exploring a critical issue in Texas divorce law. Can you recover marital assets lost to dissipation in Texas? So, if you're concerned that your spouse has squandered marital assets, perhaps through lavish spending, gambling, or supporting an extramarital affair, and more scandalous activities, you might be wondering if there's a way to reclaim your fair share during that divorce process. The answer is yes. In Texas, courts aim to divide marital property in a manner that is just and right, considering the rights of both parties. So if one spouse has intentionally depleted marital assets for purposes unrelated to the marriage, it's known as dissipation. So while Texas law does not explicitly define dissipation, courts have addressed it in various cases. If you can demonstrate that your spouse wasted assets with the intent to deprive you of your share, the court may adjust the property division accordingly. So if one spouse goes off and gambles it away, like a retirement, you can get that. You can probably reclaim that, right? To address dissipation, it's essential to gather evidence of the wasteful conduct. So you gotta keep evidence, document, keep text messages, all that kind of stuff. That might include other things like bank account statements as well, credit card records, or other financial documents showing unusual or excessive expenditures. The burden of proof lies with the spouse alleging dissipation. So documentation is going to be very crucial here. If the court finds that dissipation occurred, it may compensate the wrong spouse by awarding a larger portion of the remaining marital assets. However, it's important to note that recovery is going to be limited. It's going to be limited to the assets that are still available for division, so the judge cannot pull awards out of thin air for you. The court cannot retrieve funds that have already been spent. Navigating the complexities of dissipation claims are going to require careful legal guidance, right? So you should get a lawyer. If you suspect that your spouse has misused marital assets, schedule a free 30-minute consultation with the law office of Bryan Fagan. Our experienced teams can help you assess that situation and help you advocate properly for your fair division to make sure you are awarded fairly and properly. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next video.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop a comment below. And if you know someone who could benefit from this video, don't hesitate to share it with them. For more awesome resources, check out the description below. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.